equation should become just as easy as looking at a graph to determine the end behavior. Okay, looking at an equation, you have to look at two things. The two things you're going to look at is the sign, and by the sign I mean it's either going to be a positive or a negative, the sign of the leading coefficient. Be sure your polynomial is in standard form. This one is in standard form, so my leading coefficient is negative. My leading coefficient is negative, and then the degree of the polynomial. You should get the degree. It should be the same. That first term, that leading term, has the sign of the leading coefficient, and it also has the degree of the polynomial. And this number right here, the exponent on the variable, the biggest exponent is what we're looking at. 4 is an even number. So for this problem, when I have a negative leading coefficient and an even number, that means that my graph is going to be going down on both sides. So I don't know exactly what's happening in the middle, because with a fourth degree polynomial, I've got some turning points. I don't know how many times it turns, but I know I'm going down on the left and I'm going down on the right. Now, that's using the English words, down, left, down, right. You need to be able to write it in using arrow notation, and so this would be the answer.